It's an indication of just how active this year's Atlantic storm season has been that we've made our way all the way through the alphabet and we're now at the letter O. Tropical Storm Ophelia, currently drifting around in the open Atlantic, expected to become Hurricane Ophelia on Thursday, and then during Friday, Saturday and Sunday move very quickly northwards past Portugal, heading to the British Isles. Now, this is a relatively unusual track for a hurricane to take, but it's not unheard of. In 2006, Hurricane Gordon brought some very wet and windy weather to western parts of Britain as an ex-hurricane. And that's why we are concerned about Ophelia. Now, ahead of Ophelia, we will draw up some very warm weather across the UK for Saturday and Sunday. Some parts of Britain enjoying a return to summer with temperatures into the 20s. But straight back into autumn at the start of next week as Ophelia approaches. Wind and rain on the way, but it's at this point that it becomes very uncertain in terms of the exact track that Ophelia will take. And when we look at these things, we don't just run one computer simulation, we run quite a few. This map here shows that very subtle differences at the beginning of the timeline result in big range of different locations for Ophelia in a few days' time. And that means that although Ophelia is unlikely to be a hurricane at that stage, having left tropical waters behind, it will be an ex-hurricane. But the speed of movement northwards and the fact that it's moving over relatively warm seas means that it will still hold a lot of rain and wind. We will, of course, firm up on the details over the next few days, and you can stay up to date with any warnings that are issued and any of the latest forecasts through our website, through our app, and by following us on social media.